Internal parasites, how they nourish the body and cause diseases. Definition and overview. Internal parasites are organisms that live within the body of a host, where they rely on the host for nourishment and survival. These parasites can inhabit various parts of the host's body, including the digestive system, blood, and tissues. Examples of internal parasites include worms, such as roundworms and tapeworms, protozoa, like Giardia, and various types of larvae. These organisms often harm the host and are responsible for various diseases affecting both humans and animals. How internal parasites nourish themselves and cause diseases. Internal parasites obtain nourishment by absorbing nutrients from the host's food, blood, or bodily tissues. Some parasites, such as worms, attach to the intestines of the host and consume the nutrients the host ingests. Others, like protozoa, live in the bloodstream or tissues and absorb nutrients directly from the host cells. The damage caused by internal parasites can vary depending on the type of parasite and its location in the host's body. The harm caused by internal parasites can lead to several symptoms, including digestive issues such as diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. In severe cases, parasites may lead to malnutrition, weakness, anemia, and damage to vital organs. For instance, roundworms can obstruct the intestines, while tapeworms can cause weight loss and nutrient deficiencies. How internal parasites transmit to the host. Internal parasites are typically transmitted to their hosts in various ways. 1. Fecal-oral transmission. This is the most common transmission method for parasites like roundworms and Giardia. The parasite's eggs are passed through feces of an infected individual, contaminating food, water, or surfaces which the host may unknowingly ingest. 2. Contaminated water or food. Consuming water or food contaminated with parasite eggs or larvae is another major route of infection. This often happens in areas with poor sanitation or hygiene. 3. Vector transmission. Some internal parasites, such as those that cause malaria, are transmitted through the bite of an infected insect, e.g. mosquitoes. These parasites enter the host's body via the insect bite. 4. Direct contact with infected hosts. In some cases, parasites can spread through direct contact with an infected person or animal, especially in crowded environments. Symptoms and health impacts. The symptoms caused by internal parasites vary depending on the parasite type and the area it inhabits. Common symptoms include digestive problems, such as diarrhea, abdominal pain, bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Fatigue and weakness, resulting from nutrient loss and energy depletion. Anemia, caused by blood loss or nutrient malabsorption. Weight loss and malnutrition, especially in chronic infections. Organ damage. Severe infections can lead to damage to organs like the intestines, liver. Prevention of internal parasites. Preventing internal parasites involves several practices that can reduce the risk of infection. These include 1. Good hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water, especially after using the toilet and before eating, helps prevent the spread of parasite eggs and larvae. 2. Safe water and food practices. Drinking clean, treated water and ensuring that food is properly cooked can help prevent the ingestion of contaminated substances. Avoiding raw or undercooked meat, particularly pork, beef, or fish, reduces the risk of parasite transmission. 3. Proper waste disposal. Safe disposal of human and animal waste is crucial in preventing contamination of water sources which could spread parasites. 4. Use of protective measures in endemic areas. For people traveling to areas where parasitic infections are common, taking preventative medications and using mosquito nets can reduce the risk of vector-borne parasites. 5. Regular deworming. For pets and livestock, regular deworming treatments are essential to keep them free of intestinal parasites that may also affect humans. Treatment of internal parasites. Treating internal parasite infections involves the use of specific medications, which vary depending on the type of parasite. Common treatments include 1. Anthelmintic medications. These drugs target worms, such as roundworms, tapeworms, and hookworms. Examples include mebendazole and albendazole, which are effective against various types of worms. 2. Antiprotozoal drugs. For protozoan infections such as Giardia, drugs like metronidazole or tinidazole are commonly used to kill the parasite. 3. Symptomatic treatment. In addition to antiparasitic medications, supportive care may be necessary to manage symptoms such as dehydration, malnutrition, and anemia. 4. Surgery. In severe cases, when parasites cause blockages or organ damage, surgical intervention may be required to remove the parasites or repair damaged tissue. Impact on health and the environment. Internal parasites can have a significant impact on both human health and the environment. 1. Health impacts. Prolonged parasitic infections can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to other diseases. For example, parasites like hookworms can cause long-term nutritional deficiencies, while protozoa can lead to chronic gastrointestinal issues. 2. Economic and environmental impact. In agricultural communities, internal parasites in livestock can reduce productivity by causing illness and death. In some cases, parasitic infections can also spread to wildlife, affecting biodiversity and ecosystem stability. 3. Resistance to treatment. One growing concern is the development of drug-resistant parasites. Overuse or misuse of antiparasitic drugs can lead to resistance, making it more difficult to treat infections. This highlights the importance of proper medical guidance and the development of new treatment options. Conclusion. Internal parasites are a global health concern that can cause serious illnesses and impact ecosystems. Preventing and treating these infections is vital for maintaining human health, animal welfare, and environmental balance. Public awareness, improved hygiene, and effective treatments are key to managing the spread of these harmful organisms. Continued research is needed to understand their behavior and develop new strategies for combating parasitic diseases. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to get our latest videos.